you experiencing controller drift in Rocket League, it can significantly affect your gameplay. This guide will help you troubleshoot and potentially speed up your response time to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check controller settings. Ensure your controller settings in Rocket League are optimized. Go to the settings menu and adjust dead zones for both steering and aerial controls. Lowering these values can help reduce drift. Step 2. Clean your controller. Dust and debris can cause controller drift. Carefully clean your controller, especially around the analog sticks. Use compressed air or a soft cloth to remove any particles that may be causing issues. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Make sure your controller's firmware is up to date. Check the manufacturer's website for any available updates and follow the instructions to install them. This can improve performance and reduce drift. Step 4. Test on different devices. Try connecting your controller to a different device or game to see if the drift persists. If it only occurs in Rocket League, the issue may be with the game settings rather than the controller itself. Step 5. Consider hardware replacement. If the drift continues after trying the above steps, it may be time to consider replacing your controller. Look for models known for their durability and performance, as some controllers are more prone to drift than others. By following these steps, you can address controller drift and enhance your Rocket League experience. Good luck on the field!